U.S. stove Wiseway pellet stove takes away the need for electricity by utilizing a natural gravity feed system that eliminates all mechanical parts, meaning less maintenance and fewer breakdowns. This patented revolutionary design is the only EPA-certified and UL-listed non-electric pellet stove on the market today. The Wiseman is easy to start and operate. Simply heat the burn chamber and flue and start the pellet flow with a propane torch. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This stove uses a natural draft that will take over and ramp the stove up to temperature. Adjustments are simple by opening and closing fresh air intakes on the front of the stove. The window allows you to see the flame traveling up the body of the stove, since it uses no electricity. Heat is radiated off the 3.05 inches tubing and the steel baffles on the back. This stove offers extremely small clearances on the rear and sides, making it easy to install, since it does not use any electricity. This stove is the perfect source of heat for areas that are prone to blackouts or for off-the-grid installations. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. EPA-certified non-electric pellet stove utilizes a natural gravity feed system for less maintenance. Number 2. 40,000 BTUs heats up to 2,000 square feet. Number 3. Uses standard 3 inches pellet venting. Number 4. 60-pound hopper lasts for up to 30 hours. Number 5. Silent operation in modern style. Number 6. Material type, steel. Number 7. Product features. The GW1949 Wiseway is a non-electric pellet stove. In addition, it can be used in mobile homes. You get a safe, clean-burning pellet stove that saves money on both heating and electric costs. Number 8. Easy-to-read thermometer. The Wiseway can easily heat up to 2,000 square feet of living space, more than the space in the average home, and does it by putting out over 40,000 BTUs. Number 9. Easy to use. Adjustments are simple by opening and closing fresh air intakes on the front of the stove. Number 10. Glass viewing window. The viewing window allows you to see the flame traveling up the body of this stylish and modern stove, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.